Unfortunately, the survival of many animals, and especially the primates, is threatened by widespread habitat destruction, hunting, and the rapid acceleration of human encroachment on their remaining habitats. If this trend continues, it may only be through responsible and cooperative captive breeding efforts that these species will ultimately survive. Let's keep this in mind as we do tour the lake and view a variety of different species.
She looks nature. She looks nature. The way she looking. She's one of the leaders. She went to see. Yeah.
This is the spider monkey, I think. The little black one.
Now you're going to have to look closely, but if you look on the right-hand side, there's a tree behind the structure. Right at the trunk of the tree, we have our lemurs. They are ring-tailed lemurs, and they are only found on the island of Madagascar. The most